Hitting gender equity targets for many leaders and organisations feels futile. This is because women are frustrated about being a tick in a box and men are confused as to what to do next. There is an easier way to see your female employee satisfaction and retention results soar while male employees understand why and how to support women in leadership. Ultimately, seeing more women in leadership roles and men supporting them. This is why I created the Gender Smart Leader. I'm Margie Ireland and I'm a leadership coach and researcher, registered psychologist, and I'm passionate about people and their work. So what is it? The Gender Smart Leader is a 30-minute keynote or 1 hour or half-day workshop that explores and educates leaders on being gender smart. Why did I create it? During my 25 years of working with leaders and leadership teams and my dissertation into leadership wellbeing, I discovered some key differences between female and male leaders, which I believe are blocking progress towards greater gender equity at a leadership level. So what will you get out of it? You thinking on what might be impacting organisations and industries achieving important gender equity targets. But most importantly, at a ground roots level, what you can do today to change this. My approach is bottom up. I want people going away from this experience with practical strategies and tools that are within their control that they can implement immediately. So why listen to me? As I mentioned, I have many years working in and for leadership teams, and I've had some big wins and fails as a leader myself. My first job was working in IT back in the early 90s, including working in Silicon Valley, and I don't remember meeting any female leaders back then. Jumped 25 years later, and I found myself working in the mining and resources sector, and the same problem. Lots of very smart engineers running companies with very few women at the helm. My actual experience working in male-dominated industries and as a leader means I have that lived experience. But equally important, I'm a registered psychologist and leadership coach and researcher. My grounded research and evidence and my very practical approach results in leaders being happier, healthier, and gender smart. Got your interest? To find out more about the Gender Smart Leader, book a chat with me on the link attached to this video. Hopefully connecting with you soon.